So I picked up the Makeup by Mario Skin Enhancer during the Sephora sale. And I've been using it, but I've been like, really, what does this do? Let's find out. So this is a 3-in-1 product, and it is a solid balm, skin tint, and a bronzer all in one. So I've been applying it like I saw Mario apply it on his videos, and I'm going to show you how. I got the shade medium. It is darker in the pan than what it is because this is a sheer product. So Mario said you want to just go around the perimeters of your face. So I'm going to start like right here and blend it inward. So not up towards my hairline, but blend it in. And there you have it. You can see the difference between this cheek and this cheek, even when I'm looking straight on, and even the enhancing. Yes, this is the truth. I know what to do with it now. I'll be wearing it a lot more.